We are here to open the wonderful Springfield Commuter parking garage here at 7039 Old Keene Mill Road. This is a great day for us. We are really excited about opening this facility. 1,000 or more parking spaces. We've got 6 bus bays. We've got 2 lines for our folks that we affectionately know as sluggers. We've got a wonderful bike facility. This is really a great day for multimodal transportation here in Fairfax County.
A lot of work with a lot of people to have a focused effort on improving this corridor so that when people come into Central Springfield, they see the best of Springfield. This entire area has been relit up, and we should all be inspired by that.
This facility supports all forms of travel. It embodies our commitment to provide flexible, sustainable, and convenient transportation choices for everyone in this community.
I think the biggest thing is the community space. That's the biggest piece of this.
Springfield does not have a lot of public gathering spaces, and so with this roof plaza, we want to make it available so that people can really enjoy a unique perspective on Springfield. Where else can you really see up above in the air and enjoy this area and see what's developing?
Really, you can do everything you want to do here. You can ride your bike here, you can pick up your friends, take them to work, you can ride the bus. Everything you want to do is here. If you want to find out more information, please go to www.fairfaxcounty.gov. Search for Connector Park and Ride. Should be the first link there. Tell you everything you want to know.